Thank you for taking the time to view Integro's instructional video on how to install our complete kit for shielded cable, also referred to as screened cable. It is very important to read the entire instruction sheet provided in the kit prior to installation. We will begin with the cable preparation. First, measure, mark, and strip the cable jacket approximately 4.25 inches or 108 millimeters. Once the cable is stripped, remove the copper and semiconductive layer. Next, strip the cable jacket an additional half an inch or 13 millimeters to expose the copper shielding. Then, strip the wire insulation. Begin by measuring and marking the insulation approximately half an inch or 13 millimeters, and then proceed with stripping the insulation. Penciling the wire is recommended as it helps greatly when feeding the cable through the connector kit housings. We now proceed to the contact and cable installation. First, insert the conductor into the back end of the male pin. Crimp the contact onto the conductor about 1/4 of an inch up from the base of the pin. Then, rotate the pin 90 degrees, move up about another 1/4 of an inch, and crimp again. You will then repeat this step with the female receptacle. For the next step, insert the male contact into the back end of the male housing to lubricate. Remove, insert again, and push the contact through until it snaps into place. The step on the male pin should be flush with the end of the male housing. You will then repeat this step with the female contact. To start the boot installation, thread the ground wire through the small hole on the back side of the boot. To aid threading, cut a lead in on the ground wire. Next, add a bit of kit grease from the back end of the kit body to the tip of the ground wire to lubricate the hole. Use a set of wide nose pliers to feed the wire through the hole until visible through the opposite end of the boot. Be sure to pull 3 inches worth of wire out past the boot. Now, slide the boot onto your cable, backside first. To finish the kit installation, start by stripping the ground wire insulation back 1.5 inches. Lay the exposed 14-gauge copper wire on the exposed copper shielding of the cable. Wrap the spring clamp around both 5 turns. Pull the exposed copper wire back towards the kit body, laying the remaining copper wire over the spring clamp. Wind the remainder of the spring clamp over the exposed copper wire. Holding the boot, pull the slack out away from the grounded connection while sliding the boot over this connection. Finish by sliding the front end of the boot up over the kit body strain relief until you hear it pop. This will guarantee a watertight seal. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We encourage you to visit our website for more information on our products.